Good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are doing well and wish to see you in school soon. So today we are going to learn about a new chapter in science, that is birds. I hope you all have seen birds around you. So today we are going to learn about the features of birds. I hope you're going to enjoy the session. So let's get started. So, in this whole chapter, we're going to learn about the feathers of the bird, how birds fly, their beaks, their feet and claws, and nest of the birds. So, you're ready? So, we have seen that there are so many birds in the whole world, and all the birds are of different color and of different sizes. So, how we're going to learn? Do you remember? You have seen a parrot. Parrot. Parrot has different color. Crow. Crow has different color. Right? And then we're going to talk about sparrow, eagle, vulture, penguins. They all are of different color and even their size are different. They all are not of same sizes. So, as we all know, birds are living beings as we are. So let's see what all features birds have. These are birds' beak. What we call it? Repeat with me. These are beak of the bird. And what is this? We all have. Yes, these are eyes. And these are feathers of the bird. Do you know the feathers of the bird cover the bird's body? And these are their legs, their claws, with the help of which they walk. This is the tail, the pointed one, and these are their wings. So, our next slide is all about what all birds have. The birds have one beak, two eyes, two wings, two legs, and body is covered with feathers of different colors. Now here you can see they have two wings, one and two. They have two eyes, one and two. One beak, two legs, one tail, and their whole body is covered with feathers. So now we are going to learn about feathers. What are feathers? Do you know? Okay, we're going to discuss it. First of all, we're going to learn that birds are the only living being on this whole world whose body is covered with feathers. Fine. We are also living beings. Our body is not covered with feathers. But birds' body, they are covered with feathers. And feathers are of different color and sizes. Fine. We can have a small feather also, a big one also. It depends upon the bird. Fine. So now we have three types of feather. There are basically three types of feather. First one is body feather. By the name itself, we are able to understand what is a body feather. Body feather is the feather that covers a bird's body. Fine. I have told you earlier also the feather which covers the whole part of the body of the bird, that is known as body feather. Now, what are down feathers? They are very small, soft and fluffy, and feathers that keeps the body warm. So what are down feathers? Down feathers are mostly very small. They are very soft and fluffy, and they keep the body warm. Fine. And third one is flight feather. What are flight feather? They are very long and help a bird to fly. So we have learned there are three types of feather. First one is body feather. What is body feather? That covers a bird's body. Then is down feather. What are down feather? They are very small, soft and fluffy. That keeps the body warm. And third one is flight feathers. They are very long and helps the bird to fly. So next is all about how birds fly. Do you know how birds fly? Well, I know it. I am seeing it here also. Yes, birds fly with the help of their wings. So, birds fly with the help of their wings. So, Where are wings? Wings are attached to bird's body. You're seeing this? It is attached to their body. They are attached with the help of strong muscles. Like we have muscles, birds also have muscles that helps the wing to be supported on the body. These muscles move the wing. Now, because of these muscles, it helps the wings to move and it helps the bird to fly. See, the bird is flying. Okay, the shape of the body. Now, do you know the shape of the body is like a boat? How is a boat? How is a boat? Boat is hollow inside. Fine. And because of this hollow shape, it helps the bird to fly in air. Yes, so the shape of the body is like a boat, which also helps them to fly in air. Because of this shape only, they are able to fly in air. And when they flap their wings, they fly. Now this bird, the bird is flapping the wings. Flapping means up and down movement. The bird is doing only. This is the reason why it can fly. So now the wings move in two ways. Birds' wings move only in two ways. One is upstroke and downstroke. So one is upstroke and downstroke. Upstroke means moving the wings upward and backward. Upstroke means moving the wings upward and backward. And what do you mean by downstroke? Downstroke means moving the wings downward and forward. Downward means down position and forward means in forward position. So we have learned that birds move their body in main two ways. What are the two ways? Downstroke movement and upstroke movement. Upstroke movement means moving it upward and backward, moving the wings upward and backward. And downstroke means moving the wings downwards and forward. Now, this we have learned the movement, but we need to know this also, that how they change their shape, how they change their route. So they can easily change the route or direction with the help of their tail. With the help of their tail. Like when we drive, steering is in our hand, right? If we're going to move the steering to the left, it is going to go to the left. If we're going to move it to the right, it is going to move to the right. So in same way, the tail of the bird helps them taking the direction. They can change the direction with the help of their tail. So there are three main birds. Next is there are three main birds which cannot fly, which can't fly. They have their wings, they have everything, but they cannot fly up in the air, but they can move small, they can move on a very small height. So who are those birds? Those birds are ostrich, emu and penguin. The three birds, they can't fly.